Hello and welcome back to Biker Stuff. I have been asked by many viewers of my channels what is happening to the fuel tank. Well, today you are going to find out. The saga of the fuel tank all started about 7 months ago at the end of January. I took my tank to a local spray shop called Kawasaki to have the dents pulled out and to be resprayed. Before any spraying took place, I received a call to tell me there was good news and bad news. The good news was the dent pulling went well, but in the process of doing this, due to the internal rust, it now had holes in it and was rather soft in places. This cost me £108. Then I went to eBay looking for a replacement and found one in America at a place called Brap Power Sport. They sent this one on the 28th of February. It cost me, converted into sterling, £127 for the tank, £69 for the freight and £39 for VAT, totalling £235. Next, I get an email from eBay stating the tank has been returned to sender. Whatever Brap Power Sports had written on the customs document, the airline didn't like. I'm guessing they put something like fuel tank. I asked them if they could try again, but this time call it motorcycle spares. I paid a further £70 for this, and it was resent on the 16th of March. It arrived with me a couple of weeks later. I told Kawasaki that I would use a local company called Mill Signs to make the graphics for the tank, but also told him that I'd recently seen a pre-made one on eBay. He said to get the pre-made one and he would do it there, which seemed the easier option for me. This was a company called Wicked Graphics, and they offered a printed sheet ready to adhere to the tank for £50 and 50p, including postage, that just needed to be lacquered over. I ordered this sheet, and when it arrived, I took it down to Kawasaki. The following week, he called me to say the stickers were on and the lacquer had cured, so I could pick the tank up. This cost me £312. Can I ask, if you like what you see here on Biker Stuff, please click in the corner. Then, if you ring my bell, you will get notifications when I upload more great videos like this one. On collecting the tank, I could see it wasn't right. The graphics were small and Kawasaki had sat it too far back. Also, on removing the alignment tape, he had pulled one of the stripes off. I told him I wasn't happy. He agreed to strip it and respray it for me. Then I could take it to Mill Signs as I had originally intended. It was now the first week of May. I left the tank with Mill Signs, who said it would be 3 to 4 weeks before they could get the job done. But as I had little choice and I wasn't in that much of a hurry, I let them get on with it. After 4 weeks, I phoned Mill to find out how things were going on. I was told they would be doing it in the next couple of days. A week later, having heard nothing, I called to be told it was now ready. That cost me 5 weeks and £66. But now I had my tank back and ready to be lacquered. I took it straight over to car dock via a photo shoot in the garden, as you just saw. It is now 27th of June. I assumed car dock would rush to get this completed due to the ongoing delays, but I was wrong. It took him 2 weeks, which would have been longer if it wasn't for a hurry up conversation from Gary. This is what I collected the following Monday. From taking the first tank back in January and getting this one back in July was a total of 25 weeks and £841.66. If you thought the chroming was expensive at £720, what do you think of this? My next job is to get the insides cleaned and painted. I have a POR15 tank preparation and sealing kit, which I will be doing shortly. So do come back and see how I get on with it. Hopefully, after that, it should be a simple job of kick-starting the bike and making sure everything works. Thank you for watching. I know you liked it, so tell your friends, and I'll see you here next time on Biker Stuff. I hope you liked that. I have selected another video for you here, or you can look at an entire playlist. If you want to subscribe, click here.